Hi guys, welcome to Pasam Sandeep YouTube channel. Today is a very exciting day. We are going to unboxing Apple ProBook 14-inch model. So without wasting time, let's start our video. Okay guys, let's open this. Oh my god, this is awesome. Okay, let's open this. Oh, so satisfying. MacBook Pro. Wow. Let's keep this aside. Next we have, this is a USB Type-C charger where we can get 2 meters of long with MagSafe. Okay, keep this aside. And most important, documents. Where's Apple stickers? There you go, Apple stickers. Okay, documentation, keep aside. Now, this is a 67-watt charger, guys. Wow. Nice. So that's it. This and all the overall content we get from the box. One charger and one cable. Let's open this one also. Okay. USB Type-C, Mac charger, and our bad boy. Oh my god, this is heavy guys, and this is super awesome. Okay, so this is it, unboxing. Let's start this. Okay guys, let's open this. Wow. Wow. Awesome. MacBook Pro, baby. Yes. Hello. Wow. Bonjour. I don't know which language is it. Ciao. Okay, let me set up this and I'll show you. Okay guys, this is how it's look after setup. So let's talk about this laptop. Okay guys, you saw the unboxing video. Let's talk about the specification of this MacBook Pro. It's come with M1 chip and 8-core CPU, 16 GB unified memory, and 512 SSD hard disk. So, and let's talk about the ports which included. It comes with 3 Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C ports and 1 HDMI cable and 1 SD card reader, 1 3.5mm jack. Okay guys, these are the specifications of 14-inch MacBook Pro. So in India it is available for pricing at 1,94,900 rupees with this model MacBook Pro 14-inch 512 SSD model. So along with this I bought some cool accessories. Magic mouse. Let's open this. So this is a magic mouse, and along with this, most important thing, this is dual USB-C, dual HDMI docking station. With this we can connect to external monitors and Ethernet, all HDMI cables, we can connect this. So editors like me, this is very useful product. That's it guys, I hope you like this unboxing video and I hope I covered all the specifications. If you have any doubt about this MacBook, please let me know in the comment section. So always like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye.